This is the video tutorial of how to replace the O-rings on your TFV12 device with our custom O-rings here at InkedATTY.com. To take apart the device, you will unscrew the top and the base counterclockwise. This will unscrew the chimney from the coil. Once they are separated, you can then pull the glass from the top piece. To remove the O-rings, you can use a screwdriver, a pair of tweezers. I'm using a nail file to get up under the top O-ring and just pop it right off. To install the new O-ring, hold it in place with one hand and stretch it around the area above the chimney. I'm using a pair of tweezers to take off the bottom O-ring. I'm just going to grab it and pop it right off. You can install the bottom O-ring with or without the coil installed. I left my coil on. And I'm just going to stretch the O-ring around the coil, hold it in place with one hand, and seat it in the trough below the coil on the base. Once you have the bottom O-ring seated properly, you will then put your glass back on around the chimney on the top piece. Next, you'll insert your base with the coil. Be sure not to strip your coil out. You'll want to turn half a turn counterclockwise and then start turning clockwise to tighten. Once the device is tight, you're finished and you can fill your tank. Thanks for stopping by and checking out the video. Come check us out, www.inkedaddy.com. Leave a like and subscribe.